before we got Tow and Fert, we were just using normal dry urea in spreadable form. So the advantage of using a Tow and Fert machine to the herd have been absolutely huge. Just taking, not only taking the water out of the grass, but just allowing less water in the grass here. We get over 4.2 metres of rain annually a year. That coupled with nitrogen just leaves you with a lot of soup in the grass, which cows don't really digest that well. So they just runs out the other end pretty much unchecked, really. With the Tow and Fert machine, we've reduced that amount of water in the grass by putting less nitrogen on. So this year we've saved around 36 tonne of nitrogen this year by putting on with the Tow and Fert. That is equated to a saving of about $18,000 in nitrogen. Once upon a time in our nitrogen input, environmental never really had a part to play in our farming practice, the day-to-day operations of farms. Now it has to be. It has to be environmentally friendly. And using the Tow and Fert means that you spray it on fine days when it is not raining and there's no runoff no leaching from the nitrogen, thus nothing runs to water, nothing gets wasted. So 36 tonne we've saved. We haven't actually saved from the cow side of it, we've actually saved from the environmental side because it hasn't gone down the drain. So this is 30 days, this is 18 units, this is what it equals. Plenty of clover in your pasture because nothing is getting too long with only 18 units. And you can see the density in here, good thick tucker, 30 days, 18 units. No other ingredient being put on here, nothing else on, just 18 units. Lovely grass, lovely pats, lovely grass, equals healthy, wealthy cows.